Hello everybody, we'll try today to go and take a look at the comparison of your data from Dynamics AX, Dynamics 365 with the industry tables, economics industry tables. For example, we'll take the information available from the Bureau of Labor Statistics and compare your current revenue size from the specific business metro or state with the market share in this state. Also, we'll take a look at the demographics parameters such as median salary for the specific positions comparable to in your company. And also we'll talk about other tables available on the market to compare in your Power BI report.
First, let's think about where to get statistics. The easiest way to get annual statistics for the recent years, 15th, 14, 13, and the 16th will be released in May. It's from Bureau of Labor Statistics, where you can get all the occupation profiles in one table by state, where you will have a number of employees in the state and then information about average salary and payroll size. You begin on this page. Here's the URL. Then you pick the year one by one, whatever you decide to download. And then you click on occupation profiles. Then you click your occupation profile and then sub profile, and then you go to and grab the table. Easiest way is click on or go way down, click on say something like New York or Chicago. You will be on this page for New York, and then this is the table which has all the states included. So what you do, you download this page, this Excel file, and then you consolidate them in one. I'll show you. To get the idea about the coefficient to multiply either your total number of employees in the industry or total payroll to get the revenue, you can download the revenue in your industry code for the most recently released year. Once in 5 years, US Census releases the information statistics with the industry codes. So you can go to download center there, and then you can select the data set you need, and then you just pick from the list here. It's your choice. Each industry may have special one, but here you can get at least to get statistics. Here is labor statistic table. I accumulated 3 years, 2015 all the way down to 2013. You see it by state. Aviation, you have occupations that you need to pick related to your company industry. For example, transportation, something, storage, distribution managers. Then you need to think about either to pick total employees size for your industry. This would be accurate multiplier for this total employee number, or average median salary level for your occupations, and then multiply to relevant coefficient to get approximate revenue. To estimate the coefficient, you can download the information for once in 5 years. You can get this information from US Census. This is consolidated table for 2013 through 2015 from Bureau of Labor Statistics, and you need probably total number of employees as well as this median salary. Here is the script to pull information from AX Dynamics 365 tables related to items, sales in invoices with the link to the customers, addresses, and years, converted years. Here's the script. This portion of the script might look strange. Great information. Avoid the duplications. Just take care about this. Okay, and then this script is for being in the top of the hierarchy for the linking information from the Labor Bureau and information pulled from AX by combination of two fields, combined field, which is the state year. The first part is state, the second part is year. It's this. The third script will give you the information about the statistics from the US Labor Bureau, and I'll show you how to link these three scripts and the three datasets together in AX Power BI report. And this is a Power BI report where we have three datasets: state year, so core, top of the pyramid, top of the hierarchy is sales, and this information is from Dynamics AX database, and then Bureau of Labor Statistics. This is the table from Bureau with the salary information and the number of employees. Let's quickly review the datasets. We already saw the scripts. Now the scripts are the base for each dataset. I'll show you so you have you don't lose the steps here. Let's take a look at the first one. So this is the dataset for getting the key field, which is state and year combination with the like a space between them, then state and year, and they're coming from this table, and this table it's import from Excel, 3 years of labor statistics, as I showed you Excel tables. This is a second data set, pulling information from AX Dynamics 365 Enterprise database, and this is this script, and we saw this script a couple of minutes ago. Sorry, I have comments here because I used debugging for the SQL. If you need the script, just let me know. I'll send it to you via email. This is the third data set, pulling information from the table from labor statistics, import from Excel file from DOL, Department of Labor, Bureau of Labor Statistics. This is the script. Now let me show you the link. Okay, so here we manage relationships. If it doesn't recognize itself, so you should create your own. See, we have 3 data sets. The state year has this link to BOL. BOL, it's whatever is coming from Bureau of Labor Statistics. We be linked by the artificial combined key field. It has state combined with the year, and the same we created in a BOL table. It's one to one in this case. And then the second one is the link between sales table from AX Dynamics 365 and state year table, and this would be many to one from sales table. It has all the invoice lines coming from AX database, and this is our table on the top. Don't forget to make this relationship active. Okay, now you should begin with building the market share page, and you have two visualizations of map with let's take a look quickly at the first map. First map has fields from let me expand this data set. So the idea is that you try to pick the first information from the this top hierarchy table, and then in this case you avoid duplications. Then we need from the sales we need city information and extended price. Extended price will be used as the size of the pie here, on not pie but the size of the circle on our map. And then you have also, don't forget to put two tooltips, like you would need percentage. In the case, like for example, you would need to see the percent. The percent is on this hint pop-up on the bottom. You see percent 002. Okay, and then what else? You see the legend by state. Don't forget to include the legend here. So it should be here. And then you probably should you should restrict on the report level. In the case if you would like to have only a few years of statistics, so you do it on report level. Now this one has information from Bureau of Labor Statistics. It's market share by state. For example, in New York you have this market, $1 million. California it's slightly less. State of Oregon is half of the California. Then in order to manipulate, you would need this visualization. Bar chart, clustered bar chart, where you have two parameters. First you have the payroll. I use the payroll like estimation for the market size for the specific state, and then you use percent. The percent is like a hint, and then you use the extended price that's pulled from the all your sales lines for this specific state, and the state is coming from here. So you will see the combination of two bars here. First one, the black one, it's the market share from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, and the second one is your portion of the market share with percent to the market share. In this case of California, you see 3.81%. So if you click on California, you can manipulate all three reports on this page, and you go to, as you see, in this second, in the middle of this report, you have the table visualization, which shows you some details about the cities in California. In this case, you see the parameter of California is transferred to all four reports here. It's in here, as you see, cities in California by their market share toward the total in California market, and then you see this is the GLUC of AX database. It's incorrect zip for California, somewhere in the east coast, and then you see the California places, and then you see the Bureau of Labor Statistics for the state of California. This is the size of the payroll. Then you have the page where I placed the this visualization from ArcGIS maps for Power BI, and this map has the advanced features such as first of all, you can see the motion. If you can place the time, for example, this case invoice date, into the timeline, then it will be moving. I'll show it in a minute. And then you place here the location would be city-state combination, and then in the colors you will see address, and extended price will be the size of the circle. If you click on the circle, you will see the tooltips. Okay, this is Colorado, Arvada, and then you see the address, and you see the day of invoice. Then you see the payroll size from the Department of Labor Statistics, and then you see the percent is tiny. But you have 4 invoices here. Let's see. Yeah, all of them are tiny, but anyway. Then let me. You can see the fields on this visualization. You see the payroll. This is coming to the tooltip, and then you see the location, and you see the extended price and the invoice date. I'll show you how invoice date placed in the into the timeline works. So what if you click on this timeline, you're gonna go by the dates, picking invoices with invoice dates in a range. You see, it's slowly pressing. Just watch the sizes of these circles, and then in the year 2015 all disappears because I don't have data for 2015, just tiny. Then it's in the circle. It's coming back to 2013. I'm gonna stop it, and then I'm gonna see through the details. For what I can see from AX database, and you can drill from here, from market share visualizations. Let's see, if you click on the let's say Colorado here, so you can drill through city state with transferring parameter Colorado state, and then you will see the lines, invoice lines for Colorado. And then you can also drill through to the matrix. Let me show you how you do this, and let me show you the matrix itself. Let's click on Colorado again here, and then we can go and drill through to the matrix, detail matrix. It will be restricted to Colorado. You can drill through from other visualization on the first market share page. We'll go to the same two places. Okay, so here's the statistics for Colorado. You see 2 years, because I restricted here to 2 years, as you see 2013 and 14 in the page level filters. And then you see that for 2013 I got this amount of sales from my site, company site in Colorado. Then the statistics from the labor department is this, and then my percentage is this for the whole state, and then portions of this percentage are from 2 cities. And then in 2014 I see decrease in percentage toward the market, so something is going on incorrect, something is not good in my performance in Colorado. And then in order to see all the states, you just go here to drill through filter, and then clear the filter, as you see here. I'm clicking here, and then the matrix will show you everything, every state. Alright, so in the case of like in this city there were no sales in 2013, you see nothing, and then you see the summaries for states, and you see summaries for total market, and my percentage in the total market. So I would say if I'm below this, then something is underperforming in the state where I am. So for example, this state, Ohio, is good because I am really outperforming the average market in my industry. But in the case if it's below 6.5%, then I am underperforming. Couple of words about this report. First of all, I don't use calculate accounts here because all the calculation is done in SQL scripts and background for these 3 data sets. For example, extended price is calculated in the script, and this is the summary from quantity and extended and the sales price for the line, these two. The only calculation I have is the measure, and this is the percent. And why I need to use the measure, because it's done on the summaries based on the value of the your price. It's for example, you may have low profit on the you may have so this is the only one where I need calculation based on summaries, and this is percentage of our share on the market in the specific state.
If you need help, feel free to contact me. My email and phone number below in the description to this video, and thank you for watching.